Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I love a nice warm fire in the wintertime, but it is inevitable that an ash or a spark is going to come out and burn my new carpet. But not with this awesome protective rug from Pilgrim Home and Hearth. This fire retardant rug is saving the day for our family. I love that this rug though is fire retardant, so it is protecting my floor. We have had hardwood floors and carpet in front of fireplaces, and in both situations we have had little holes or burn marks, but this beautiful rug helps to stop that from happening. I love the beautiful design of it. It has a variety of really nice neutral colors, but also that bring a little extra touch to your living room. The back of it has a nice non-slip latex backing. So if you have a hardwood floor, this would be really nice too because that non-slip backing won't allow it to move. I am so happy that we have added this rug to our carpet. It's not only a protection, but it's also a beautiful piece of decor. I really like the size of this fire rug too. It covers a nice wide area. It's about 46 inches by about 28 inches or so. So it extends far enough from our fire to make sure to protect any of those loose sparks that might pop out. Not only is this fireproof rug beautiful, but it is protecting our floor, which I really appreciate. And that's my point of view.